Realm team, is trying to send this in your tune once again into the infamous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. 1 month I am worry free is in full effect. You know, as we approach the end of this month, I can proudly say it's worked, folks. It's worked. Like past tense, it's already done. You understand what I'm saying? Because there are so many of you Realm team members already leaving comments, and you're showing me, you're showing the rest of the Realm team members that, you know, you're not even worried anymore. Like the stuff that you're writing, I can see that the I am worry free challenge has worked for you just because the way you talk now. It's like, wow, this really works. And I told you folks, 21 days in, it's gonna become a habit. It's gonna become a habit in your mind. It's gonna seep into your subconscious mind, and you literally gonna be waking up every single day worry-free. Like any type of negativity that comes into your life every day, you're not even gonna pay it any attention for the simple fact that you always say that you're worry-free. Your mind is gonna automatically say, don't even worry about that. You know what I mean? So thank y'all so much for being on this challenge with us. For those of you who are just now subscribed, you can find more information about these challenges on the website www.thelivingroom.org. But anyway, let's get right down into it. The truth about manifestation, your confirmation, everything that you want to manifest, folks, I'm sorry to say, but it's going to manifest for you. You ever heard that phrase, you ever heard that saying, be careful for what you wish for, you just might get it all? You know what? It took me a long time to realize what that really means. Folks, it's really true. Whatever you wish for in this world, you get it. But for so long, and still to this day, so many people live in the illusion that they're not going to get what they want because of the way they was raised, or, you know, what their parents had and what people around them were only able to achieve. You know, so many people's minds are so tricked into believing that the world doesn't work for them for the simple fact of their upbringing. You know, people that they're around, you know, people that have become failures in their life, and, you know, pessimistic people in their life that don't want them to succeed because they didn't accomplish their dreams. You know, people will do that. People will do that when they ain't did nothing with their life, when they ain't accomplished their dreams. They ain't went nowhere. They still in the same place for like 80 years. You know what I'm saying? They want everybody around them to fail too. That's the harsh reality and the sad truth about it, folks. You know, most of us grew up around people who don't want us to go nowhere because they didn't get to go nowhere. And I know that's really selfish. That's really selfish. But, you know, more and more people are beginning to realize that this manifestation stuff, law of attraction, it is real, folks. I would not be up here wasting my time making videos every day if I didn't really see it happening in my life. You think I'm gonna be up here talking, telling you about some stuff that's fake? Wasting my time getting up in the morning, you know me, full of energy, full of excitement. Why am I excited? Why am I telling you? Because it is real. I see it every single day. I witness it every day. The law of attraction, manifestation, the universe working its all magical powers for me every single day. Now, trainers, how does this work? I'm about to tell you. I'm about to tell you over and over and over and over and over again, because I feel like this is something that it can always be told in a different way. Because I know new minds are coming on to the infamous Living Realm Network, and y'all got to understand it too. All right, so give this video a good thumbs up, but let's get right down into it, folks. The manifestation is going to come. For whatever it is that you want to desire, folks, it's going to come. You know, so many times my mind always tried to take me back into my old self. You know, my old self was always thinking like, well, how is it gonna come? How am I gonna get it? Ray them ain't give me the money to get it. How am I gonna get it? I don't got the money for that. It ain't gonna happen. I gotta go sign up for this and then sign up for that in order to make it come that. Otherwise, it ain't gonna come. You know, my mind, my old carnal mind, my flesh, you know, the person who I used to be, try to bubble up in my new mind, my higher conscious mind, and make me think stuff like that. You know what I mean? In order to keep me from getting the things that I automatically know I'm gonna get. My new mind, it already has seen the magic. It already has seen the power of the universe. And the power is, folks, whatever you want, you're gonna get it. You just automatically have to know in your mind that you're going to obtain it. It ain't no by means or how it's gonna happen. When you speak it into the universe, see, this is where people go wrong. When you speak it into the universe, folks, the universe, this matter around here that you can't see, the wind in the air that you can't see, all this energy out here that you can't see, It hears it. It's like a person. The universe is like a person. You have a relationship with it. It hears you, and when you say something out in it, these words go back to you. You hear it. It resonates with you. It does something to your soul. And it's the same way the universe works. It hears it, and it does something to your life. So it's very important that you make sure that you say what you want. You know, you say the right things that you want, because it's gonna give it to you, because it's watching you every move. You are in the world. You are in the world. You are in the earth. You are in the infinite intelligence of the universe. Every step, every breath, your heartbeat, every follicle hair that you have, it is recorded. It knows everything about you. So you have to be very careful as to what you're expecting and what you're wishing for. Be careful what you wish for, because you just might get it all. Ain't no might, you're gonna get it. But when you get it, will that really make you happy? That's the question at the end of the day. Is that something that you really wanted, you know, from the bottom of your heart, or is it something that you wanted because you thought that it would bring you happiness? You thought that it'd get you more girls. Oh, you got the Lambo now, bro. You know you wanted girls back then. You couldn't get them, but you got the Lambo now. Oh, so now you got the Lambo now. Now you got girls who just want you for the Lambo? Come on, man. You know what I mean? So be careful what you wish for. And so every time these thoughts come to your mind of how you're gonna get it, there's no way possible. There's no way in hell you can have it. You're not ready for that yet. That's all deceit. That's deception. That's what we call the devil. That's trickery. That's mind games. That's the lower part of you that doesn't have any faith. That's the bottom part of you that is in the bottomless pit that doesn't know any better. You know what I'm saying? That's the part of you that nobody likes. You understand what I'm saying? And for you to listen to it, you gotta be a fool to listen to it. When you hear stuff like that, it's gonna come. It's gonna come. It's gonna come. How am I gonna pay this? I don't know. I'm gonna pay it. It's gonna come. How am I gonna do this? I don't know. I'm gonna go on vacation though. I wanna go to Abracadabra. How you gonna go to Abracadabra? They ain't even no real place. I don't know, but I'm going. I'm going. That spirit right there, folks, will give you everything that you want. Now here's the catch, here's the twist. Now we live in a relational world with other beings around us. They don't know no better. A lot of people don't know nothing about this stuff, this power of the universe. They don't got faith. They don't know how to believe in something that they can't see. You know what I mean? They ain't never really went nowhere in their life. You know, they don't even think. They don't even use their brain, you know what I mean, to process information. They don't even know that if you speak things into the universe that it manifests and stuff. People don't know how to grow plants. You know what I mean? They don't know how to grow plants. They don't know. Then water it and then go take it to the sunshine so we can get photosynthesis. And when it rains, bring it back on the inside because it has too much photosynthesis. They don't know if you put too much water in the plant, it's gonna start. Water's gonna start coming out the bottom of the pot at the bottom. You know what I mean? And the plant can't drink that much water. They don't know that. So you can't even worry about these people around you. They looking at you to figure out the way. They looking at you to continue to see if whether or not what you're believing is gonna come. And then if it does come, they're gonna start doing what you do. That's why my motto here is make yourself better. What? You know, so that you can make other people's lives better. And what else? Exactly. You know, the world a better place. Everybody is looking at everybody to see if they know the answer. Everybody is looking at everybody else to see if they are scared. You know, when people be staring at you, life path number 11s, you got all that energy and stuff. They looking at you to see what kind of move you gonna make. Like, are you scared of life? Cause I am. They scared. But are you scared of life? You don't look like you're scared. Your energy doesn't say that you're scared. Are you scared? Or do you know the way? I need help. Do you know the way? I'm looking at you and I'm staring at you because I'm amazed by your energy. I'm amazed by the way you think. I'm amazed that you watch this stuff. And what is it about this stuff that I don't know? Please tell me. Please teach me. That's what they're asking y'all. You know what? You gotta always show them. You know what? I'm bigger than everything around me. You know what I mean? Because I'm a child of the divine power that always working for us because we're trying to do right. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I'm Trent Anderson of the infamous Living Realm Network. Just know, once again, just know, whatever you want, it ain't no instruction manual, guide, or no book that's going to explain how you're going to get it. The mind loves to try to think like God. The man loves to try to act like she knows how the universe gonna work. It never works the way we think it's gonna work, so ain't no sense of even thinking about it. Ain't no sense of even trying to think your way through the process. Just know you're gonna get through the process. Just know you're gonna complete the courses. Just know you're gonna go to college. Don't worry about how, when you're gonna get the tuition money or whatever the case may be. Don't worry about none of that. You're gonna get it. Just trust in this infinite intelligence, this almighty power of the whole universe, folks. It's much more smarter than we can even fathom as human beings. And it's gonna happen. Anything you want, you say it, you speak it, you write it down, you know for a fact, and you're gonna get it. And don't worry about how it's come, because we're on a worry-free challenge this month. I'll see you in the next video, folks.